Why I hold Baby Doge? I started holding Baby Doge not because I expected anything dramatic overnight, but because I like the idea of being part of something community driven and crypto. At first, it was just curiosity. I saw people talking about it, the memes, the energy, and I wanted to understand what was behind it. As I looked into it more, I learned about its token mechanics, like reflections, burns, and how it designed to reward holders over time. It wasn't complicated hype for me. It felt more like a long-term experiment in how communities can support a token's growth. But honestly, the biggest reason I still hold it is simpler than that: belief in community. In crypto, prices go up and down all the time, but strong communities tend to stick around. Baby Doge has that kind of active, loyal base, and gives it some staying power in my eyes. I also like that it's not just about charts. There's always talk about charity efforts, awareness campaigns, and meme culture keeping it alive. So in the end, I hold it not because of promises, but because of community, curiosity, and the possibility that over time it might grow into something bigger than just a meme coin. That's all.